Good morning, class 7th student. Today we have to start your fourth chapter of computer Excel as a database. Till now you have also worked in MS Excel in your up to class 6th. Now further continuing how to work in MS Excel in advanced form. Now, first of all, what is database? Now new word is there, database. Database is class collection of data, is known as database. A database may be defined as the collection of information on a particular subject and related to each other. What is database? It may be defined as the collection of information on a particular subject which is related to each other, definitely which are related to each other. It may be the collection of address, phone number, student record, government list, library, books, daily expenses, etc. The database may be the collection of addresses, phone number, student record, telephone number, daily expenses, monthly budget, and so on. A database enables the user to organize, sort, retrieve and edit the data as per their convenience and requirement. The database helps the user to just view the data, sort the data, get the data, edit the data as per the availability and as per the requirement. A database comprises of field and record, and database consists of field and record. For simple understanding, for more simple way we can say field is number of column, refers to number of column, and record refer to number of rows. Field refer to number of columns and record refer to number of rows. Let's see. This is a example of MS Excel worksheet. So these column name are the field, and this particular record row is a record. Field, a column within a database which comprises of the same data type of data is referred to as field. What is field? A column within a database which comprises of the same type of data is referred to as field. Name, address, phone number, etc. are all different field. You can say name, city, phone number, email, and school. These are the example of the field. Now record. In a database, the record refer to row which contain the information about one entity or person. Now record. What is record? A data of one student or data of one entity or a data of one person. You can observe in this figure just this Arav, this row number 3 Arav, name Arav, city Delhi, phone number 80 this, email ID arav92@gmail, and school is Bansal Public School. So this information is about Arav student, which contain all information about Arav, and this is referred to as row in database, row or record. Now field name. A field name can refer to the column label of the field in a database. What is field name? A name of the column. It refers to the column label of the field in database. All the field names appear in the same row. All the field names that appear in the same row. Consider the example from the above figure. We can see name. You can see this name, city, phone number, email. These are in the same row, and these are the example of field names. Now, next topic is using a form to enter data in a database. How we are going to enter data in a database? What is form? A form can be understood as a dialog box which provide a convenient way to enter or display complete row of information or record. What is form? Form can be understood as a dialog box which provide a convenient way to enter or display complete row or information or record. It consists of text boxes to input the data in the field and command button to manipulate the data if required. It consists of text box to input the data in a field and also command buttons to manipulate the data if required. Before a record is added to a column form, the worksheet must have the field name appearing at the top of each column. In MS Excel, the field names are used to input record in a form. The features of forms are discussed below. Now, if you want to add a record to a form, the worksheet must have the field name which is appearing at the top of every column. In MS Excel, these field names are sent to input record in a form. The feature of form are discussed. One record is displayed at one time. It may be used to add a new record or edit an existing one. One record is displayed at a time, it may be used to add a new record or edit existing one. It is possible to delete an existing record. It also helps in viewing the record which matches the given criteria. In MS Excel 2010, the option of form is hidden and has to be found by clicking on the File tab. In MS Excel, the form option of form is hidden and it can be just found using the file tab. As the Excel option dialog box appear, as the Excel dialog box will appear, select the quick access toolbar tab present in the pane. Just select the quick access toolbar tab which is present in the pane. Now click on the drop down arrow of the choose command and select command not in the ribbon. In the drop down, you can select the form option from the list displayed with the help of scroll bar. Click on add button and click OK. You can see the form button in quick access toolbar. This sort of form will come when you will appear just form add. In this, now you have to enter the values, and after you will enter the values you have to click on OK, and once you have clicked OK, the data is inserted in the Excel. Now